Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to create an Atlas capture account. This is a labeling account and it's currently hiring. So if you are interested in work from home job, this is the right fit for you. And so without wasting time, let us start. In this case I'm using a proxy, of which is not a must to use a proxy. You can as well use with your country's profile. So let us start. I'm going to put in my email. So this is the step-by-step guide. After adding your email, the next thing, go and check your email for a verification code. Verification code is 922046. We are verifying our Atlas account. Now after that we are going to complete our profile. My first name is that. I'm creating a US profile. Though it's not a must, you can as well use for your country, United States. I was born in 1996. This is according to my US documents. January 11th. So continue. Now the company is hiring a bit faster. Next thing, we are going to, oh my god, let's refresh. Okay, we are going to sign required documents. So next field, let us sign. That is my name. Address, I live in, just a minute, this is my address. This is my address. So at this point you just key in your, if you skip this video you will not be able to see the whole sign up process. I'm going to give you even the interview questions. That is where I currently live. So after that, signing, email, that is my email. The next thing, we're going to the next field. Add your name, date and signature. Just type it. Next field. This company hiring process is a bit quick because you have to just sign the documents and do a test. The test is not that hard because I'm going to show you how to go about it. So stick around till the end of this video. ID verification. Let us verify our identity card. I'm uploading my ID. Upload. Pending verification. At this point we're just waiting for them to verify our identity, so give it some time to load. It will take 3 to 5 minutes. So as we wait for our ID to get verified, kindly subscribe, like this video and share with your friends. Also, I'll leave the link on the description below. Click that link to follow and sign up for your own account. After waiting, the verification is completing. Account is created successfully. So if you want to join their Discord, you can click here to connect to their server. But if you want to continue, you just click continue to dashboard. Now after this, you'll see that welcome Stanley. Here is what you need to do to start earning. So this is their dashboard, and for us to start working we need to complete this training. This is the atomic action labels, and you just need to click here, start learning. So they will give you a quick course about their program overview. Welcome to Atlas Capture Annotation Program. You just go through everything. You will see their fundamental principles, go through their label format standards, everything, multiple object rule, action sequencing, margin video clips, edge case specialization situations, complete task examples. So this is the overview. Once you are done with everything, this is the guidelines, knowledge quiz, training video, practical test. Now you'll start to do this knowledge quiz, and you have to pass with 90% accuracy. And so after reaching at this point, if you want answers, comment on the section below, because I have all the answers, and you are going to pass. So let us exit the training and go to the dashboard. So this is the overview. We have dashboard here where you will see your training journey, payment, and see your tasks, the training labels. Once you are done with the training and pass the knowledge quiz, you will start seeing tasks. And also if you want the answers, I can just give them to you. So you just need to comment on the comment sections if you need them. So till next time, goodbye for now. Don't forget to use the link on the description to create your own account.